It is a miscellaneous worked problem. Prove that cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. We are supposed to prove this. It is appeared in the year 2016 South Zone, 2017 North Zone in 5 mark section. Cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x into sin 5x by 2 we are supposed to prove. Consider the left hand side. Let us prove the RHS. Cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2. This is of the form cos A cos B formula. What is cos A cos B? Half into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Half into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Again cos A cos B. A is this, B is this. Half into cos of A plus B means 3x plus 9x divided by 2 plus cos of A minus B 3x minus 9x divided by 2. I just take 1 by 2 common. So cos of, take the LCM, 2 as the LCM. Here nothing means 1, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5x. Cos 5x by 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 means 3. Cos 3x by 2 minus 3 into 2, 6 plus 9, 15. Cos 15x by 2 minus into plus minus. Cos of 3 into 2, 6 minus 9 means minus 3x by 2. Okay. See this. Cos of minus theta. What is cos of minus theta? It lies in the fourth quadrant. Minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. As per ASTC rule, it is positive only. Plus cos theta. Okay. So now this is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 5x by 2 plus cos 3x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2 minus cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, cos of minus 3x by 2. See this? Minus cos 3x by 2. This is plus cos 3x by 2. This is cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D. What is cos C minus cos D? Minus 2ss minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d means minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. C minus d by 2. Okay. So now 2 and 2 gets cancelled, minus sin of 5 plus 15, 20x, 20 by 2 divided by 2 into sin of 5 minus 15 minus 10x by 2 divided by 2. Now this is nothing but minus sin 20 by 4 means 5x, sin 5x. This is sin of 10 by 4 means, so this is 5 by 2, you know, minus 5x by 2. But what is sin of minus theta? Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sin is negative, whereas cos is positive. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta. See, this minus and this minus becomes positive, plus sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. Sin 5x by 2. That is what the RHS we want. So it's there in the miscellaneous work, appeared twice in 5 mark section. Okay. Next, question number 7, an exercise problem. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. I repeat, sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x we need to prove. Okay. Again, consider the left hand side to prove the RHS. I just write sin 6x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x. This is of the form sin c plus sin d. Try to recollect the formula. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2 plus 2 sin 4x as it is. This is equal to 2 into sin 2 plus 6, 8x divided by 2 into cos 4x divided by 2 plus 2 sin 4x, which is 2 sin 4x into cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Observe, we find 2 sin 4x common. If we take 2 sin 4x common, cos 2x plus 1. Cos 2x plus 1. What is 1 plus cos 2x? See, we have a formula cos 2 theta in terms of cos as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Shift minus 1 to the other side. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. So in place of 1 plus cos 2x, we can write 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x. So 2 sin 4x. So 2 into 2 means 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay. So this is what the RHS we want. Question number 8, exercise problem. Prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 2x minus sin 3x. So consider the left hand side. Consider the left hand side. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. See, this is sin C plus sin D formula. What is sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So, this becomes cot 4x into sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2, sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2, that is equal to cot x can be written as cot quotient relation cos x by sin x, cos 4x divided by sin 4x into 2 times 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 means sin 4x into 5 minus 3 is 2x. 2x divided by 2 means x. That is cos x. See, sin 4x gets cancelled. 2 cos x into cos 4x. Say some equation 1. That is the left hand side. Consider the right hand side. Consider the right hand side, which is cot x into sin 2x minus sin 3x. This is of the form sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. What is sin C minus sin D? 2CS. So that is 2 cos C plus D by 2, 2x plus 3x divided by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. That is 2x minus 3x divided by 2. So that is cot x is nothing but cos x divided by sin x into sin C minus sin D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. This is 2 cos 5x divided by 2 into sine of minus x by 2. Sine of minus x by 2. One ನಿಮಿಷ 5 and 3 ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Excuse me, I made a mistake here. It should be sin 5x. Sin 5x minus sin 3x. Sin 5x it should be RHS. Okay. So 5x minus 3x. Yeah. 5 plus 3 means 8. 8 by 2 is 4x. And here So I just repeat, cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x, sin c minus sin d formula, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, that is 5 plus 3 is 8, 8x divided by 2 means 4x into 5 minus 3 is 2x, 2x divided by 2 means sin x, sin x and sin x gets cancelled, we are left with 2 cos x into cos 4x. Observe equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, RHS are equal so that LHS can be equated. Okay. Therefore, cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So LHS and RHS are equal, hence the result. Okay. Next, question number 9, exercise problem. Prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x 17 minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x, sin 2x divided by cos 10x. Okay, let us take the left hand side to prove the RHS. Cos 9x minus cos 5x whole divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x, sin c minus sin d, cos c minus cos d. What is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2ss minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2, minus 2ss c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 whole divided by sin c minus sin d is 2cs, you know, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Here we can eliminate 2, 9 plus 5, 14 by 2, that is sin 7x, 9 minus 5, 4x, 4x by 2 means 2x, sin 2x whole divided by 17 plus 3, 20 by 2 means 10, cos 10x, 17 minus 3 means 12, 12 by 2 means sin 7x, sin 7x gets cancelled, we are left with minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x, cos 10x. That is what the RHS we want. Next, question number 10, 10th one, an exercise problem again. Prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x, sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. Again, take the left hand side to prove the RHS. Sin 5x plus sin 3x. It is of the form sin C plus sin D divided by cos C plus cos D formula. Cos C plus cos D formula. Okay, cos C plus cos D. What is sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 divided by cos C plus cos D means 2cc. 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Even we can eliminate this. Sin by cos means tan. Sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. Here tan 5 plus 3, 8x divided by 2, which is tan 4x. That is what the RHS we want. Hence the result. Okay. Next, question number 11. Prove that sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y is equal to tan of x minus y by 2. Tan of x minus y by 2. It is appeared in the year 2014 North Zone paper in 3 mark section. I just take the left hand side to prove the RHS. This is of the form sin C minus sin D formula. Try to recollect sin C plus sin D. Okay. This is cos C plus cos D, numerator. Sin C minus sin D means 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 divided by cos C plus cos D means 2cc. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Here cos gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. Tan of x minus y by 2. That is the RHS. Such a simple question in 3 mark section. Next, 12th one, exercise problem again. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. Cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x we need to prove. It's there in the model question paper under 2 mark section. Yes. Take the left hand side. I just write this as sin 3x plus sin x. Both are one and the same. Divided by cos 3x plus cos x. This is sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2 divided by cos c plus cos d formula 2cc, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 2 cos c minus d by 2. So sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. Tan 3x plus x means 4x. 4x divided by 2, which is 2x. Tan 2x. That is the RHS we want. Okay. So consider the left hand side. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. I just take minus common here. This becomes sin 3x minus sin x whole divided by, even here also I'll take minus common, cos square theta minus sin square theta. See, now this is of the form sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 divided by 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Sorry, sin c minus sin d means 2cs, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. We have the formula for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos and sin. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. In place of cos square x minus sin square x, we can write cos 2x here. So we are left with 2 times 3x plus x, 4x, 4x divided by 2, 2x. 3x minus x means 2x by 2, that is sin x whole divided by cos 2x. Cos 2x gets cancelled, 2 times sin x. That is what the RHS we want. Okay. Question number 14, 1-4. An exercise problem again. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. We need to prove cot 3x. Bangalore South Zone 15, South Zone 16 and North Zone 17 in 5 mark section. Okay. So I just take the left hand side to prove the RHS. See this 4x plus 3x. If you want to apply cos c plus cos d, 4x plus 3x means 7x by 2 fraction we get. Instead of that 4x and 2x let us group, so that fraction will be avoided. Consider the left hand side, cos 4x plus cos 2x. I just group these two. Let me write cos 3x as it is. Even in the denominator, 4x and sin 2x together, so that you can avoid fraction in the angle. So that is cos C plus cos D formula. What is cos C plus cos D? 2cc. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 plus cos 3x as it is, whole divided by this is sin C plus sin D formula. What is sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula. You are not supposed to cancel this because plus sign is there. If this is into, you could have cancelled that, but now it is not possible. If you cancel that, it is wrong. Now this is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2, 6x by 2 means 3x, 6 by 2, 3x. 4 minus 2 is 2x divided by 2 means x, that is cos x plus cos 3x whole divided by, here also 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 6x by 2 means 3x. Here 4 minus 2 is 2x by 2, that is cos x plus sin 3x. Observe the numerator. We can take cos 3x common. If we take cos 3x common, 2 cos x plus 1 whole divided by, here also sin 3x common, in the denominator sin 3x common, in the numerator cos 3x common. Okay, if we take sin 3x common, 2 cos x plus 1. So in both numerator and denominator, 2 cos x plus 1 gets cancelled, into sin is there, you know. Now cos theta by sin theta means cot theta, that means cot 3x. That is what the RHS we want. 15th one, miscellaneous exercise problem. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. So in the year 2014, Bangalore North Zone 2014, under 5 mark section. So here 1 and 3 you can group, or 3 and 5, 1 and 7 you can group. So whatever the combination you want. So let me take 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. So we can avoid the fraction. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 minus 3 is 2 by 2 is, you can avoid the fraction. So let me group these two first and last. Even you can group these two also, no problem. So consider the left hand side. So sin 7x plus sin x. I just group these two plus sin 5x plus sin 3x plus sin 3x. Sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D means 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Again this is sin C plus sin D, which is 2 sin C plus D by 2, 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So now this is equal to 2 into sine 7 plus 1, 8x by 2 means 4x. 7 minus 1 means 6x by 2, that is cos 3x plus 2 times 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2 means 4, sine 4x. Cos 5 minus 3 means 2x by 2 means x. Okay. So now between these two we find 2 sine 4x common. If we take sine 4x common, cos 3x plus cos x. Again this is of the form cos c plus cos d. What is cos c plus cos d? 2cc. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 into 2, 4 sine 4x into 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 2 means 2. Cos 2x. Cos 2x. 3 minus 1 is 2x. 2x by 2 means x. Okay. So that the answer is 4 cos x into cos 2x into sine 4x. Okay. So that is the RHS we want. Next, 16th one, miscellaneous exercise. See, miscellaneous exercise questions also appeared in the examination. Prove that sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x divided by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 6x we need to prove. So 2013 under 6 mark section it is appeared. So 2013 the pattern is bit different. So let me collect 7 plus 5, 12. 12 by 2 means 6. 7 minus 5 means 2 by 2 is 1. 9 plus 3, 12 by 2. 9 minus 3, 6 by 2. No problem. So let us group the first two and the last two. Sin 7x plus sin 5x. These two plus sin 9x plus sin 3x whole divided by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x. See, this is of the form sin c plus sin d. This is cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d formula. Sin c plus sin d means 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2 plus here also sin c plus sin d. C is 9x, d is 3x. So that 2 sin c plus d by 2, 9x plus 3x by 2 into sin, I mean cos c minus d by 2 whole divided by the denominator cos c plus cos d means 2cc. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Again cos c plus cos d 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Now this is equal to 2 into 7 plus 5, 12. 12 by 2 means 6x. 7 minus 5, 2 by 2, that is 1x, plus 9 plus 3, 12 by 2, that is sin 6x, into cos 9 minus 3 means 6x by 2 means 3 times, divided by 2 times cos 7 plus 5, 12 by 2 means 6x, into cos 7 minus 5 means 2 by 2 means x, plus 2 times cos 9 plus 3, 12 by 2 means 6x, into cos 6 by 2 is 3x. So in the numerator, I just take 2 sin 6x common. We are left with cos x plus cos 3x, cos x plus cos 3x, divided by 2 into cos 6x, I'll take common. Here again cos x plus cos 3x, cos x plus cos 3x. See, into means you can eliminate this. Sin by cos means tan 6x. That is what the RHS we required. Okay.